Hey, how are you doing? This is Ezra here. Welcome back to Giant Metrics. I'm Ezra, co-founder of Giant Metrics Agency, the Giant Metrics app. Really look forward to sharing with you massive value in this video right now on how you could be able to create for free, absolutely free, an entire landing page or website, an entire website, and be able to publish it on the World Wide Web. Whether you have like a business, or maybe you're an author, a coach, you want to put information about yourself, about an event, then that is something that you can actually do for absolutely free that I will share with you right now. And the great thing is what I'm about to share is also beginner friendly. So again, if you're not used to doing things like that, I'll share with you how to do it very simply and also in a way where you could do it in a very short time frame so you can get your website up and running within less than an hour, really. So let's dive into this together. Let's go right ahead and see how we can do this. So first thing you want to do is go to sites.google.com. So if you go to sites.google.com, you go to this link, and once you're on there, it will open up this page, right? Now we'll be using Google Sites for this. It's a platform that will be available to each and every one of you. As long as you have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and do so. And it's also free to create a Gmail account, so why not? And also what I'll do is, you can start it from scratch by doing blank site, but I think for many of us, we may want to get like a template. So let's click on template here and see, okay, well, what template most resembles, maybe what is it that you're looking to achieve? So like this, there's dog walking, there's small business here. So maybe I might get something under small business. There's education, small business, personal. So you can choose, and maybe we'll do the saloon. Let's see here. So if I click on this, I will click on this template, and then let us see how you can be able to begin to edit it and also get to publish it online, right? Without any sort of cost to it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and see how we can be able to modify this template together. Okay, great. So notice that we have this template here. Just a quick run through. Right now we are on the home page. Notice it has all the different items in there. If you click on pages, it will also show you all the different pages there are available that you can edit. And also if you click on themes, then you can be able to also change, I guess, like the type of theme you want. So for example, let's just start off with theme, and maybe if I click this, let's just say I want to go with this sort of look instead, Aristotle. And I can also select the color I want. Maybe I want to go with something more like oranges like hair. Let's see, something like, all right, something like this. Okay, so then what I will go ahead with, so now we change the theme of it. Then go to pages, then you can also select, okay, what type of pages do I want? Do I want home, services, about, testimonials, contact? You know what? Instead of services first, I'm going to click, drag, hold, and click and hold and drag it above home. So now I have home, about, then services, testimonials, contact. And I'm going to keep all of those pages just for the sake of this right now. And I can go ahead and let's say I name this site Giant Metrics Agency, right? So that's one of the options. Or you can also add a logo. Just for the sake of time, I wouldn't add logo, but you just click this image, you add the logo. I'll change the title here of my website, Metrics Agency. I'll put this here as well. And then essentially it's very simple to be able to edit text. All you have to do is like just click on the element. Click on the element. I will just like double click to highlight this, and I'll put like we create high conversion web funnels that beats your conversion rate any day. increase, then maybe I have a subheadline, increase your conversion rates or your money back, right? So let's say I have a guarantee. So look at that, how easy it is. We already edited the text, the banner is almost done. Now all you have to do is like click on that banner here, and where you see like image here, you can easily be able to like change the image. So either you can upload, right? Or you can be able to like click on select. So if you want, you can also select one directly from Google, right? Again, just for the sake of time, we're going to select one from Google. Now, those are not things that I personally like and prefer, but I'm still going to choose one anyways, just to change it up instead of looking like a saloon. So great. So we have something basic that we can add on. Not my favorite, but hey, we are learning together, getting the point. So right here, it says need to speak to a specific specialist. Then I'll put something like, don't hesitate to speak with our strategist today, right? I'll put an exclamation mark. And notice you can even open this up wider. Like, let's see here. So yeah, so that it's all in one line, right? So then, so on this button, you can double click this button and be able to choose, like, let's say, instead of schedule a call, I'll put schedule your free strategy session. And then right now it's linked to the contact page. That's all right. We'll just keep it like that for now. But you can actually have a page that has a form. It has a form builder. I'll share that with you as well. But we're just showing you an example of what could be done. So notice that we changed this, showed you how to change the button. You can, once you click that button, you can also change whatever page that you wanted to actually go to. And then, full service experience. Essentially when you change images, it's almost the same thing over and over again, right? You just click on that image, and then you can essentially change your images from the replace image. You can upload or select and replace it. So I'll put, let's say, full service experience, we write your copy, again, let's say, we make, we code your funnel. I'll put design. That's actually the steps we do it in. We design your funnel, then we code and launch your funnel. Right? So then, okay, so I just said freestyle full service. Then of course you'll change those images. I won't change it right now just for the sake of this video, so you can get the essence of everything. You can essentially put, more information about your business here, and to the bottom, notice you have a footer. You can click edit footer, and if you highlight this, let's say I put our email there at janmetrics.com. Again, if you do actually want us to actually build not just one on, if someone wants to build something even more professional, maybe not just on sites.google, we do have other options, then feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to be able to do so. You can actually go to janmetrics.com. I'll be more than happy to share with you how we can build you a website of funnel. And funnels are something that we love building out more. So yeah, so then notice here that we have, let's just say this page is basically done. That's so quick already. And so if we go to about page, then the about us, you just put your business name there, you change your images, and maybe let's say you don't want all those different individuals there. You'll just go ahead, click this section, and I'll click delete here, right? I'll click this section as well. I click delete. So now we only have, actually, I didn't mean to delete all of those. So that's a good lesson point right here. So to the top now, you notice that there is this here, this back arrow button, undo last action. When I click this, okay, I just got it back, right? So again, if you want to redo or undo, you can always be able to utilize that tool, which comes in very handy. And so if you lost something, like you did something by accident, don't worry, just click that button, you'll get your work back. So let's say, put in my name here, Ezra Sages, and let's say we have two other employees. Our dedicated team, right? And we put those individuals in there. And sorry, I'm not a girl, right? So I'll put it right here, right? So that way we can be able to see that together. Yep. So then notice this here as well is very, it's done already. The giant metrics experience. Great. So our about page is done. We move on to services. Now we can be able to list our services, and essentially the same principle that you doing over and over again. Notice the same thing that you'll be doing over and over again. You just change the content or whatever you want to do. You can change also the fonts. Notice that if you want, you can change all of those things here to heading, subheading. You can change fonts depending on what you want, the type of font you want. You can change the sizes. You can make it italic. You can be able to make it edit it, maybe center it, or maybe align it to the left. So there's so many different things that you could do. You can duplicate those as well. So just showing you all the options of what's possible. Now, besides from that, let me share with you something else. Like, let's say, if you go to insert right here, then there are several things that you could do, right? You can drag and drop, like you can just click, sorry, if you just click on one of those, you can add like a text box, and you can click to the left here over those dots and drag, and you can place it anywhere on the page that you want to place it. You just wait for that blue line to appear, you drop, right? And you can delete if you like. So the same thing you can do for anything else. You can embed if you have a specialized code that you want to embed, then you can be able to embed it right here, so that way you can add it on, okay? And then essentially you can add content blocks, the entire content block, so that way anything that looks with an image to the left with text to the right, or you can have a content block with 3 sections like this, so again, there's several different things that you could utilize within that, right? Now you do have other options like, adding on forms, that's Google Forms, that is. YouTube video, there's different aspects, buttons, table of contents. So there's several different things that you can be able to do and utilize with that. So when you click on pages, so notice it has all the pages there. We showed you all the things that you can drag and drop here. I'll just go to like contact page quickly. You can make all your modifications here. And I think for the most part, you have all the basics already. Like literally in just like 30 minutes, you have all the basics on creating an entire website, which you can literally do in a very short time frame, right? Now, what I'm going to do is show you now how to be able to publish this website on the World Wide Web. Now, that's the nice part about it there. You can publish this on the World Wide Web. So what you want to do right now is you want to click on this settings here. Before we click that publish button, let me show you something. You click on settings. Now you can be able to go to brand images. You can upload your logo there. You can upload favicon. Favicon will replace this icon here to the top. Notice that it has the Google Sites icon. You can replace that. You can upload your logo. Then you have other things like custom domain, right? So if you have a domain and you don't want it to show sites.google.com like within the domain, because right away they give you a free domain, but it's a subdomain. A subdomain meaning that it's not an official domain that's like giantmetrics.com. No, it would be like google.com/giantmetrics XYZ, something along those lines. However, you can also click start setup and easily follow the step-by-step process and set up your domain. If you do want to get domains, then you can also get domains from Godaddy. That's commonplace. You can be able to get it. I'll see if I can put the link in the description for all of those as well. And, so that way you can be able to set it up. Now, once that domain is set up, and whether you have a domain or not, you could still publish. It won't prevent you from publishing. What you want to do right now is click on publish. And okay, we're going to see, okay, what is the web address? So right now our website will be sites.google.com/view/giantmetricsagency. Of course, if you want it to just be giantmetrics.com, then you want to be able to do custom domain. Who can view your site? We want to make sure it says anyone, because everyone will have it. And also, if you don't want, for whatever reason, the search networks like Google and so forth to be able to scroll your website, then you can request it not to display it. But I think all of you want to get your word out for the most part, unless you have something on your website that's more sensitive. But if you go ahead and click publish, it's publishing and the website is published. So I'll click view right here and let us see our website on the World Wide Web. Great. So I'm on the home, okay, let's see here. Okay, this is what happened. Our contact page. Let me publish the entire website here. So review changes, publish. So there are no unpublished changes to review. So let's go back to this. Okay, I noticed that it just needed time. It just needed some time. So it's all done. It's all ready. So notice we have this hair agency website. Someone clicks this, they go to our contact. They book a call with us, whatever it is. You have your testimonials, you have your services, you have your about, Jan Metric experience. So again, this is a website link. You can just copy this right here and share it with friends and family, and now you're online, like literally you're online for free, right? Now this is great. If someone is wanting something for free, this is great. Now I'm going to share with you something else. It does cost a little more. For someone says, hey, you know what, this is free, but I want something a step up. Like I want to step things up a little more, right? Where I can be able to build out something that is even way more robust and something that has a lot more templates, because it is limited with templates. Of course, whenever you get something free, it may not be 100% the best. However, I'll share with you something here. If you go to Jam Metrics app, that's what it is. I'll share with you exactly something that you can be able to utilize, right? Jam Metrics app is something that we also run. This is our main app. You can actually go to signup.giantmetrics.app and get access to it. And we do have like websites and funnels that you can be able to also build yourself from there. Now, the reason why I prefer that over Google Sites is because there's way more you could do, right? Like we have like, very advanced calendar options, forms options. We have it connected with a CRM, payment options. You can run you get like product subscriptions. There's memberships you have in there that you can implement and run. You have like automations involved, SMS, email, and all that tying with your website allows it to be very effective. So if I click on website here, I can click, let me go to templates. Now notice there's a lot more stuff that I can do, like so many different industries and so many different templates that is way more appealing, way more attractive, that I can literally be able to implement and do. So like, let's say I even have like different things from different types of templates for different categories, home services, if I'm doing plumbing or if I'm doing repairs, electrical, like so many things that you can actually choose from that is also focused on your niche or much closer to what you're looking for, right? And not only that, but the builder is way more advanced. So again, if someone actually wants to utilize this platform, I strongly recommend it. Right now, it's for all the value it gives, it's actually an extremely good price. So what you want to do is go to signup.giantmetrics.com and you'll be able to see it there and you'll be able to access it. And it's an amazing platform. You get a full tour right there of the video of what's involved, but it's an all-in-one marketing app. So again, this is what we recommend. However, if you do want to stick with a freebie, maybe you don't have money to invest and this is just like a start, then I always love showing people as well how to be able to start with nothing. But if you have something you invest, that is a powerful way to be able to reach more people. So again, thank you once again for staying on, for joining in. And this again, I'm Ezra with Giant Metrics, and I look forward to seeing you again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, so let us know your thoughts and share with us your website, right? Once you're able to get it done. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it there. I'll look out for those comments so that way I can help in responding to those. And again, thank you so much. Until next time, continue to grow and scale your business. Have a good one.